Hello everyone. So relational algebra is basically a procedural query language which is inside or which is core of any query language available for relational database, and basically it is, so let's write it down. It is core of relational query language and it provides framework for query implementation and optimization. Okay, as we have already discussed that inside any query language, when you make a query, so you imagine you are making query on this system. This system will internally take this relation and perform many sequence of relational algebraic expression on this. The intermediate forms will also be a relation, and finally from this relation it gives you output. Okay, so it is a framework where internally the relational algebra is supporting this SQL query. So when you make a query, you can think that internally this relational algebra is being executed over a relation. We will study multiple operations which executes over a relation inside this relational algebra or under this relational algebra. These operations can be divided or can be categorized into two parts. So what are these two parts? One is that all the set operations related operations, that is union, intersection, all these things, and another one is the special operation designed for queries, for example select, insert, all these things, or project. So these are the special operations which are designed for query languages. So let's write it down. We have two groups of operations. So what comes inside this set operations or under this set operations, that is union, intersection, then set differences, and we also have Cartesian product. So these are the operations which are set operations and which works well here in case of relational algebra. And we also have operations dedicated to relational algebras, that is select, product, join, etc. So we will study all these operations one by one and in next chapters. So let's start with select operation first.